very weak at trust. We are very weak at trust.
Hi, my name is Swayambara Balaji and I'm from batch JA23 and currently it is my semester 2. So this is my second workshop. But before this, I have attended a couple of PCPs as well as a networking and relationship building workshop, and till now my experience has been great because I got to meet a lot of people from various fields. So it gives me an idea as to what works in various fields and what kind of jobs there are and what kind of responsibilities there are in various fields. So from today's session, the one thing I've learned is that you should identify what are the causes of stressors, because it's very easy to get stressed in day-to-day life and it's very easy to react to it, and most of us do react negatively to it, and it sometimes crumbles relationship between our close ones. So I really think that what we should learn is that even though our first intention is to react negatively to it, first take a breather and calm yourself down and then go ahead and react positively to it. So this may lead to a better relationship with even your close ones and even with people who are strangers to you. Thank you.
Hi, this is Tanvi. I'm from JA22 batch. I completed my first year at Welingkar PGDM program. So my specialization is into travel and tourism. So currently I'm working with a company named McDonald into there as a senior travel coordinator. So for me, this session was really important, and I really wanted to attend this because having two different time zone, handling two different time zone people was challenging and a stress creating for my personal life, was affecting my, and due to what, there were so many issues mentally, physically, but then after attending this session, I will be taking back a lot of full bag of solution with me, and also a brainstorming kind of thing I will be working on to come out of this stress. So thank you so much Ashok sir and Welingkar to have this workshop, and I would really like to have such more workshops going ahead to deal such small problems which we see in our life, which we do not give so much of attention, but then yes, such workshops help us to tackle those problems, and or even if not tackle, but then give some solution or some points which we can think on and get a solution to it, and have a happy life.